Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're gonna see how to sell birthday invitations on Zazzle. Firstly, go to Zazzle's Create Your Own section. Choose a birthday invitation template or start from scratch. Design your invitation using Zazzle's editor. Add images, text, and other custom elements. And make sure you're using original content because there will be copyright. Envelopes are set to white, not none, otherwise the sell option may be hidden. Now, once your design is ready, click the Sell It button on the right side. You're using a blank template. If you're not seeing the button, make sure you've selected the size and no icons from the design tool are used or you're not using copyrighted content. You'll now enter details to list your birthday invite for sale. Add a title, description and tags, and follow Zazzle's tagging tutorial for search visibility. Select what other products, if any, your design can appear on default is all. Pick the public category and your store category. Most birthday invitations will be G-rated and higher ratings will be limited with visibility. Choose public, hidden or direct only. Then decide if customers can edit your design. And finally, set your royalty rate. Default is 10% but can range from 5 to 100%. Agree to Zazzle's terms, use only your own legally licensed content, no spam or harassment, must be 13 plus years old, and no guarantees of sales. Now click Post It to make your birthday invitation live. Use the confirmation page to share your product or to copy direct links to promote it elsewhere. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.